Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best baby toy car set for ages 6 to 12 months, the iPlay, iLearn Press-to-Go car toys. If you're searching for a safe, engaging, and easy-to-use toy for your little one, this set deserves your attention. The iPlay, iLearn Press-to-Go car toys come as a set of 4 adorable baby animal racing cars designed especially for toddlers between 6 months and 3 years. Each car features bright, eye-catching colors and fun cartoon animal designs that instantly capture a child's curiosity and encourage imaginative play. The toy cars are made from high-quality ABS plastic, which is durable and safe, with smooth surfaces and rounded edges to protect your baby while they play. One of the standout features of these cars is their simplicity and ease of use. There are no batteries involved. The cars operate on a friction mechanism. All your child needs to do is press down on the head of the car, and it zooms forward on its own. This press-and-go action is perfect for little hands, making it a fun way for babies to develop their motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and cause-and-effect understanding. The compact size of the cars makes them ideal for on-the-go play. Whether you're at home, on a road trip, or visiting family and friends, these cars are easy to carry along and won't take up much space in your diaper bag. Their lightweight design also means babies can comfortably hold and push them around, boosting their grip strength and fine motor development. Measuring about 3.5 by 2.7 by 3.9 inches and weighing just over 13 ounces, these cars are perfectly sized for small hands. The friction wheels roll smoothly on different surfaces, including hardwood floors and carpets, giving babies a seamless play experience wherever they are. Plus, since they don't require any charging or batteries, parents can rest easy knowing the fun won't stop due to power issues. As a gift option, this set is a warm and thoughtful choice for birthdays or special occasions for toddlers. It strikes a great balance between being entertaining and educational, supporting sensory and cognitive growth through play. The design avoids any small parts, ensuring safety and reducing choking hazards. In summary, the iPlay, iLearn Press-to-Go car toys offer a bright, safe, and engaging toy option for babies starting from 6 months old. The simple push-to-go mechanism encourages active play without any complicated features, making it accessible even for the youngest toddlers. Its durable build, adorable animal themes, and portability make it a top pick for parents and caregivers looking to delight and develop their little ones. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want more honest takes on the best baby and toddler toys, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.